So next, type number 6. First problem, show that tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 4 by 3 is equal to what? Pi by 2. Means, first take down LHS and prove RHS. So before we have to take down LHS, first we know that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to what? Tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Remember this property. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to what? Tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Now we have to take down LHS and prove RHS. So LHS is tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 4 by 3. Now this is equal to, see here only two terms is there in the LHS of this property, that is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is there. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy is there. So here three terms is there, means apply this property for any two terms, means apply this property to these two terms only, and third term keep as it is there only. Means by using this property, means according to this property, it will becomes tan inverse x plus y, means in place of x here 1 by 2, in place of y here 2 by 11 is there, means according to that property it will becomes 1 by 2 plus 2 by 11 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 11. Now this third term keep as it is there only, that is tan inverse 4 by 3 keep as it is. Further simplify, tan inverse of take down LCM in the numerator, that is 11 2s are 22 is our LCM. So divide and multiply each term with LCM 22. So what will get? 11 plus 11 on the 11 2s are 22, 2 2s are 4, whole divided by, so 1 minus 2 1s are 2 upon 11 2s are 22, and third term, that is tan inverse 4 by 3 keep as it is. Again, now this is equal to tan inverse of, add the numerators, 11 plus 4, that is 15 upon 22, its whole divided by its denominator, nothing, means 1 is there. So take down LCM in the denominator, 22 1s are 22 is our LCM. So divide and multiply each term with 22, means 22 1s are 22 minus 22 get cancelled, we get 2. So plus tan inverse 4 by 3 keep as it is. Now again tan inverse, see here both the denominator are same, that is 22 get cancel out, what's remain? 15 upon 22 minus 2 we get 20 plus tan inverse 4 by 3. So further simplify, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, means tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 4 by 3. See here, tan inverse 3 by 4 keep as it is there only. Now see the angle here, tan inverse angle is 3 by 4 is there, sorry, tan inverse value is 3 by 4 is there, and here tan inverse value is 4 by 3 is there. Now take its reciprocal to equate the value are same, means tan inverse reciprocal is, as we know, one property is there, tan inverse 1 by x equal to what? Cot inverse x is there. See the property you have studied in previous classes. So by using this property, it will become tan inverse 1 by x become cot inverse x, means tan inverse 4 by 3 become cot inverse 3 by 4. Now again, as we know, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2, means its answer is pi by 2, because tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. This is the required RHS. Second problem, prove that tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 8 equal to pi by 4. Now take LHS and prove RHS, that is pi by 4. Means we know that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Now tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to what? Tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy is there. Here 4 terms is there in the LHS. First take on LHS. So LHS is tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 8. Now by using property here tan inverse x, in place of x 1 by 5 is there, tan inverse y, in place of y here 1 by 7 is there. So here also we have to use that property, because tan inverse x plus tan inverse y form is there. Means according to that property it will become, say क्या होता देखो, so tan inverse x plus y means 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7 upon 1 minus x into y means 1 by 5 into 1 by 7. Here we have to use that property for these two terms. Now second, plus again here also you have to use above property, that is tan inverse x means 1 by 3 plus tan inverse y means 1 by 8. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy is there. Means according to that property it will becomes tan inverse of x plus y means 1 by 3 plus 1 by 8, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 8 upon 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 8, 1 by 3 into 1 by 8. Now further simplify. So tan inverse of, take down LCM in the denominator here. So LCM is 7 5s 35 is our LCM. Divide and multiply each term with LCM 5. So what will get? 5 7s 35 means 7 1s 7 plus 7 5s 35 means 5 1s 5 upon, see here 1 1s 1 means 1 minus 1 by 7 5s 35 plus here also same tan inverse of, take down LCM in the denominator, 8 3s 24 is our LCM. So divide and multiply each term with LCM 24. So 24 keep here first, divide it first, 24 by 3, 8 3 8s are 24 means 8 1s are 8 plus 24 keep here first, divide it, 8 4, 8 3s are 24. So 3 1s are 3 upon 1 minus 1 1s are 1 upon 8 3s are 24. Now further simplify. Tan inverse of, add the numerator, 7 plus 5 12 upon 35, its whole divided by it. Its denominator nothing means 1 is there. So take down LCM in the denominator. 35 ones are 35 is our LCM, means 35 minus 35 get cancelled out, we get 1. Again plus tan inverse of, add the numerator, that is 8 plus 3 11 upon 24, its whole divided by its denominator nothing means 1 is there, means take down LCM in the denominator, that is 24 ones are 24, means 24 minus 1. Again simplify. Tan inverse of, both the denominator are same, get cancelled out, that is 35. So what's remain? 12 upon 35 minus 1 we get 34. So plus tan inverse of, both the denominator are same, get cancelled out, that is 24. So what's remain? 11 upon 24 minus 1 means 23. Now again simplify. Tan inverse of 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2 7s are 14, means 6 by 17 plus tan inverse 11 by 23. Now again here we have to use above property, because this is in the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, means tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy is there. So according to that property it will becomes, by using above property, means we get tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy, means x value is 6 by 17, y value is 11 by 23, means 6 by 17 plus 11 by 23, its whole divided by 1 minus x into y, means x value is 6 by 17 into y value is 11 by 23. Now further simplify. Tan inverse of, so take down LCM in the denominator, 17 into 23 is our LCM, 17 into 23. So divide and multiply each term with LCM. 17 into 23 means 17 get cancelled out, we get 6 into 23, 6 into 23 plus 23 get cancelled out, we get 11 into 17, 11 into 17, its whole divided by, again it's a denominator nothing means 1 is there, take down LCM here, 17 into 23, so 17 into 23 ones are 17 into 23 minus 11 6 are 66. Now further simplify. Tan inverse of 17 into 23, 17 into 23 get cancelled out, so we get remaining value, that is 23 6 are, so 23 6 are 138 plus 17 into 11, so 17 into 11 is 187, its whole divided by, next 27 into 23 multiply, so 27 into 23 391 minus 66. So further simplify, these two multiply, we get 391. Again tan inverse of 138 plus 187, so add these two, we get 325 upon 391 minus 66, we get 325. Now further, tan inverse of 321 get cancelled out, we get 1. So see here, this is inverse trigonometric function is there. So tan inverse 1, its value is 1, means to find its degree, means tan inverse 1 is equal to how much degree? 45 degree, means pi by 4. So this is the required result. Or so tan inverse, keep as it is, 1 is there. So put the value of 1. 1 means here outside inverse trigonometric function is there, means in the inside we have to convert trigonometric function, that is tan. हमें ब्रैकेट में tan में चाहिए, तो क्या हो जाएगा? 1 का वैल्यू ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, देखो tan pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 means 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is equal to what? 1. Means 1 is equal to tan pi by 4. Means tan inverse tan get cancel out, we get pi by 4. Or tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4, or tan inverse tan pi by 4, means tan inverse tan get cancelled out, we get pi by 4. Next, so next problem number 3. Prove that tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 8 is equal to pi by 4 is there. So this also similar problem is there, means first you have to use these two terms by property, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy, and third term keep as it is, then go on simplify. So this is similar problem is there. So do yourself assessment. So if you have solved these problem, means you have to send me. अगर कौन कौन ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किए उन्होंने मेरे को सॉल्यूशन सेंड करना. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, नेक्स्ट 4th प्रॉब्लम. प्रूव दैट tan इनवर्स विद इन द ब्रैकेट अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 प्लस एक्स माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस एक्स इट्स होल डिवाइडेड बाय अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 प्लस एक्स प्लस अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस एक्स equals to pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x. We have to prove here. Take LHS and prove RHS. Means this is one of the important problem is there. Means so first take down LHS. So LHS is tan inverse of under root of 1 plus x minus under root of 1 minus x, its whole divided by under root of 1 plus x plus under root of 1 minus x. Now here to convert this in simplest form, means in place of x under root of 1 minus x under root of 1 plus x, means so we have to put, already have told in first classes, means in the last class. So here in place of x we have to put x equal to here cos 2 theta. Put x equal to cos 2 theta. See the last video. So put x equal to cos 2 theta means further simplify here. Now this 2 theta keep as it is there only, and this cos function move left hand side become inverse cos inverse x. Now again to find the value of theta here, means now this implies theta equal to this multiplication 1 by 2 move right hand side it become 1 by 2, means 1 by 2 cos inverse x. This is the value for theta here. Now again simplify the LHS. Tan inverse of under root of 1 plus in place of x put its value, that is cos 2 theta minus under root of 1 minus in place of x put its value, that is cos 2 theta. Its whole divided by under root of 1 plus x value is cos 2 theta plus under root of 1 minus x value is cos 2 theta. Now further simplify So tan inverse of under root of 1 plus cos 2 theta. So 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta minus under root of 1 minus cos 2 theta. So 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to what? 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta. It's whole divided by under root of 1 plus cos 2 theta value is 2 cos square theta minus plus under root of 1 minus cos 2 theta value is 2 sin square theta is there, because 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Again same case, 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. Remember. Now further simplify. Tan inverse of, see here, under root of 2 cos square theta is there. So root 2 keep as it is, and square root get cancelled, we get cos theta only, means root 2 cos theta minus here also same, under root of 2 times of sin square theta is there, means root 2 keep as it is, and square root get cancelled, we get sin theta, means root 2 sin theta. It's whole divided by, here also same, root 2 square root get cancelled, we get cos theta, plus root 2 keep as it is, square root get cancelled, we get sin theta. Now further simplify. So tan inverse, take down common in the numerator. Which one is common is there? Root 2 take down common outside. So what's remaining term write down in the bracket, that is cos theta minus sin theta. Root 2 came outside, here what's remain? Cos theta minus sin theta. It's whole divided by, here also in the denominator which one is common is there? Root 2 take down common outside. So what's remain? Cos theta plus sin theta. Again root 2 get cancelled out, so we have to write down remaining terms. So remaining terms are, that is tan inverse of cos theta minus sin theta whole divided by cos theta plus sin theta. Cos theta plus sin theta. Now further simplify. So dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta. Dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta. So tan inverse of, dividing in the numerator each term by cos theta. So what will get? Cos theta upon cos theta, cos theta upon cos theta, minus sin theta upon cos theta whole divided by cos theta by cos theta in the denominator, plus is there, plus sin theta by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta. So further simplify, tan inverse of cos theta get cancelled, we get 1 minus sin theta by cos theta become tan theta. It's whole divided by cos theta get cancelled, we get 1 plus sin theta by cos theta become tan theta. Now again, so tan inverse, its value become tan pi by 4 minus theta, because tan pi by 4 minus theta is equal to what? This in the form of tan A minus B. So tan A minus B means tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Means in place of A here pi by 4 is there, in place of B here theta is there. Means according to that formula it will becomes tan A means tan pi by 4 minus tan B means tan theta whole divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B means tan pi by 4 into tan theta. So further simplify, tan pi by 4 minus theta is equal to tan pi by 4 value is 1, that is tan 45 degree is equal to 1 minus tan theta whole divided by 1 plus tan 45 degree is 1 into tan theta, we get tan theta. See here, 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta is equal to what? Tan pi by 4 minus theta. So same case, 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta is equal to what? Tan pi by 4 minus theta. So tan inverse tan get cancelled out, we get pi by 4 minus theta. Now finally pi by 4 keep as it is and minus also keep as it is. Replace the value for theta. So theta value is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse x. So 1 by 2 cos inverse x. This is the required RHS.